同学们好，我是毕森老师。A lot of students ask me how can I improve my listening comprehension. You can actually start from Chinese 1 to practice with this technique called shadowing. If you're already Chinese 4, never is too late. So let's take a look at how you do this. So instead of being a passive listener, shadowing help you to become a proactive listener. So when you're trying to listen and then you're going to do this. First step, you're going to listen and just trying to grasp the raw meaning. And the second step mainly is that you're trying to mentally processing what you heard by echoing what you heard. The third is to repeat what you heard. And the last time is just continuing doing so. So let's take a look at it in the detail. The first time you just trying to listen to the audio tape or the video 2 to 3 times and trying to understand the raw meaning. And if you have a transcript, take a look at transcript and see some vocabulary that you're not sure, and then you have a main idea of what this audio is talking about. And the second one is to echo. So this is really train your brain to listen to the sentence and then retaining the sentence in your brain. You sentence by sentence, you play one sentence and then let it stay in your brain for a little bit. Okay, and the next one is that if you have a script, you pause the sentence and look at the script, repeat, and then listen to the next sentence and repeat. And if you feel comfortable after you're doing that, get rid of the script, just listen and repeat, and gradually you just completely out of the script and then you listen and repeat with the video. You don't need to pause anymore. Just as the video plays or audio plays, you repeat with it. The shadowing technique, when you're doing it, make sure you're trying to mimic the intonation, their emotion, their stress, when they have the pause and their tones. Okay, this really will help you with your speaking. Okay, once you reach about 80%, you think, oh, I can about follow the speed about 80%. I would like you either bring out a slip of paper and record all the keywords once you play the video or audio again. Or if you're a Chinese student, just start typing what do you hear, the keywords will really help you. And you can do it once, twice, 3 times until you feel I got this, okay? And you will notice each time when you record the keywords, while the video or audio is playing, you can capture more and more keywords. You're very successful. All right, let's take a look at what are you going to do with shadowing technique. First, you listen, blindly listening 2 to 3 times, and then you echo, play sentence by sentence. Just let the sentence, let your brain hear the sentence, and then you're going to play, pause, read the script, play, pause, read the script, and get rid of the script. Lastly, just let the video audio play, and then you just follow it, and then while doing so, mimic the intonation, the stress, the tone, and the emotion.
What if you don't have a big chunk of time that you cannot start from step 1? That's fine. I would recommend you to start with step 3. What you do is don't worry about the original meaning. Don't worry about go look for the keywords, what they mean. Just have a video clip or audio clip and then play it. Follow the sentence, play another sentence, follow the sentence, and repeat. And eventually play the whole thing. Just follow, see whether you can follow about 80%, and then start taking notes, the keywords, write them down, or type it in your computer. Okay, so this will still help you with your listening comprehension and help you with your intonation and mimicking their stress and their pause, and it will still work if you have very limited time. Okay, now it's time to try to think. What are the steps for the shadowing? First step, second, third, fourth?